The Datsun Redi-GO has scored 1 star in the latest global NCAP crash tests of Indian-made cars. The 2019 tests saw the Redi-GO marginally improve the tally of its sibling, the GO, which had scored 0 stars. The car got 1 star for adult occupants, though the score could have been higher had there been better protection for the driver's chest area. On child occupant protection, the Redi-GO did better, but yet again the score could have been a lot higher had the Redi-GO offered rear seat belts with pre-tensioners and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Datsun India told Carandbike, "Safety is the key priority for Datsun. The Datsun Redi-GO meets all safety standards and regulations in India, and we will continue to invest in the brand towards offering high value and competitiveness." The Redi-GO tested was built before May 2019. The car has received some regulation-related safety changes in July this year. That would impact its safety score in a positive sense, since features like seatbelt reminders and speed limiters have now been added as standard. The Datsun Redi-GO uses the same CMF-A platform as the Renault Kwid. The Kwid too had fared poorly at global NCAP, though Renault has been initiating many changes with the car ever since. The recently facelifted version of the Kwid is said to carry several structural changes to enhance crash safety as well. The Redi-GO will likely follow suit, though there is no confirmation on this at this time. The car is expected to get rear seat belts with pre-tensioners though in a few months' time.